Let's do one question of reaction kinetics. That is, we have to prove that hydrolysis of sugar is a first order reaction, pseudo first order reaction. This is also called inversion of sugar. Okay, inversion because as the reaction proceeds, the optical rotation changes from plus to minus. Plus, अगर याद होगा सबको, it's a dextro to levo minus. So that's why it's called inversion of sugar. Okay, so here sugar is basically C6, C12, H22, O11. This reacts with, it is water in presence of acid catalyzed. This is acid catalyzed. जैसे हम लोगों ने किया था hydrolysis of ester is acid catalyzed. The same way hydrolysis of sugar is a acid catalyzed, and this gives me glucose. Glucose means C6H12O6. This is glucose, and fructose, C6H12O6, which is fructose. This is sugar. So this is the reaction, and we have to prove this is the first order. It follows pseudo first order. Again, H2 is a solvent, it's a large amount. So if any one of the reactant is in large amount, we take that as a constant. Okay, here if you remember, it is plus, it is or dextro. This is dextro rotatory, this experimental. This is also dextro, this is levo. Again, optical rotation is different. Okay, optical rotation is different here. So again, this is given, this we know, and as reaction proceeds, the dextro-rotatory compound converts into the net rotation of the light becomes levo. So that's called inversion of sugar. It is called inversion of sugar. Ki initially when I have taken sugar C12H22O11, this is going to show you dextro. If you pass the PPL, it will show you dextro rotation. Means the light will bend towards right or clockwise direction. याद है सबको dextro, and it's a optically active compound. All biomolecule, sugar is biomolecule, glucose and fructose is biomolecules. So all biomolecules are optically active. Okay, so when slowly as reaction proceeds, the amount of sugar starts decreasing and amount of glucose and fructose starts increasing, and the rotation of fructose is more than rotation of glucose. So that's why as the amount of glucose, the fructose increases, the plane polarized light, the rotation of plane polarized light starts changing from positive value. Initially it becomes negative value. So it is called inversion. The rotation of plane polarized changes from positive to negative. What we do, जिस कंटेनर में रिएक्शन हो रहा है, let's say जिस कंटेनर में रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं, we are passing PPL, and at different time we measure the net rotation of this solution. क्या तो हमने किया था कि if we have to find the rate of the reaction, we find with the quantity which can easily measured. Like finding concentration at different time interval is not easy for this. But for finding optical rotation, because polarimeter is the instrument, so by finding optical rotation is very easy at different time interval. At each specific time we can find what is the net rotation of this solution where this reaction is taking place. This is my solution where reaction is taking place, and this deviation, this is called, I think, optical rotation sabko. So let's say at t is equal to 0, its concentration is A, this is 0, 0. We have to prove it's a first order reaction. So amount of H2 is very large, so I am not taking that. At t is equal to t, let's say x mole has reacted, so A minus x, this will be x, this will be x. It is mole. And after infinite time, this is 0, this is A, this is A. Now we have to connect now again, if I have to prove it's a pseudo first order reaction, means hydrolysis of sugar is pseudo first order reaction. So what we have to do, means rate is minus of d C12H22O11 concentration by dt. This must be equal to K, concentration of C12H22O11 raised to 1. H2 is constant, so that is taken with the K. So amount of H2, the concentration of H2 is taken with the K. So if you solve this, so what we get? So K comes out to be 2.303 T log of initial concentration by A minus X. Now this is the value. Now I have to connect, and what is given? We have got optical rotation. देखो जो मैंने शीट लिया था, शीट में मीन्स जो अपना शीट था केमिकल काइनेटिक्स का, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स का शीट देखो, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स क्वेश्चन, तो केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में क्वेश्चन नंबर आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन ऑफ वन नॉर्मल HCl वेरियस इन्वर्टेड, दिस इज गिवन. तो यहाँ पे देखो द HCl इज एसिड, इट इज H प्लस इज एसिड कैटेलाइज्ड, HCl इज अ ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव, तो उसका कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. अगर अपने को ये और ये पता हो गया डिफरेंट टाइम इंटरवल, अगर मेरा अजम्पशन से कि इट इज अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, सो एट डिफरेंट टाइम इंटरवल at T1 it is K1, at T2 it is K2, so K1 equal to K2 equal to K3, then we can say yes, this is a first order reaction. But we have to find this. What is given? Given is optical rotation of the system. System includes what? System includes this, this. H2O and H plus HCl is a optically inactive, तो जो भी optical rotation आएगा वो किसके वजह से आएगा? ग्लूकोज, फ्रुक्टोज और शुगर की वजह से ही आने वाला है. Again, if you remember, at a given temperature for a given lambda, the optical rotation, specific rotation, again optical rotation for different concentration will be different, but specific rotation at a given lambda at given concentration remains same. Okay, याद है ये specific rotation. So let's say specific rotation I am assuming, because we have to connect optical rotation with the concentration to prove it. So let's say the specific rotation of this is A sugar, A glucose, A fructose. This is specific rotation. Green one is specific rotation. अगर याद नहीं है तो go through our optical isomerism chapter. There we have discussed what is specific rotation, what is optical rotation. Optical rotation is specific rotation times concentration. जाके कोई notes देखो. This is specific rotation. Okay. So at t is equal to 0, so this is given. So at t is equal to 0, we have got just sugar. So at that moment, the optical rotation theta 0 will be equal to specific rotation into concentration of A. Let's say this specific rotation is negative level, because for fructose it is negative, we know it. Okay, so we have written this is plus, this is plus. At any time t, the net optical rotation is optical rotation due to remaining amount of sucrose due to glucose and fructose. तो यहाँ से हम लोग लिख सकते हैं A minus X into AS plus X into A glucose minus X into A fructose. And after infinite time, this is 0, so केवल इसके कारण आएगा. So that is A into A glucose minus A fructose. Fructose का specific rotation negative है. ये you have to know it, otherwise you cannot solve. अभी देखो इन सब से अपने को ये लेके आना है. ये अपना एम है. यहाँ पे देखो इसको मैंने x ले लिया कॉमन, तो this will be AF. अभी क्या करें कि ये अभी देखो ये दिया हुआ नहीं है, AGAF, it is not given. Okay, so what you do, add this plus this, जो अपना फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है. अपने को फाइनली फर्स्ट सेकेंड, थर्ड। अपने को ए तो पता है यहाँ से, करेक्ट है। नाउ इफ यू ऐड दिस प्लस दिस और इफ यू subtract this plus this, just see, subtract third minus second, third minus second, तो क्या हो जाएगा, you will get theta infinity minus theta t is equal to third, तो this minus this, देखो AGF is common here, तो it will be a minus x, this minus this किया तो AG specific rotation AF glucose fructose minus of a minus x AS. If you this is common, take common, so a minus x becomes AG minus AF minus AS. Just see, theta infinity minus theta t. Specific rotation into concentration is optical rotation. If you remember, specific rotation वहाँ पे मैंने अल्फा से किया था represent for a given lambda, for a given temperature. It was optical rotation by concentration into length. Length is the length of polarimeter which is in decimeter. Concentration is taken in gram. I think gram per ml में लिया था हम लोगों ने, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग उसी में ले लिया हम लोगों ने। Concentration किसी में भी ले लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। ये आ गया, देखो ये अपना फोर्थ इक्वेशन आ गया। अभी a माइनस एक्स, तो लेकिन ये एक्स्ट्रा टर्म है। अभी अपने को यहाँ भी ऐसा कुछ लेके आना होगा कि ये आए। देखो अभी अगर इफ यू डू AG माइनस AF माइनस AS तुम कर दो, मतलब इफ यू डू थर्ड माइनस फर्स्ट, इफ आई डू थर्ड माइनस फर्स्ट तो क्या हो जाएगा, थीटा नॉट minus theta infinity, theta infinity minus theta naught, third, so it will be a is common, so that is AG minus AF minus AS. Now see, ये और ये common हो गया. Now take ratio, let's say it becomes my fifth, so now take the ratio fifth by fourth, तो क्या हो जाएगा, so you will have theta infinity minus theta naught by theta infinity minus theta t is equal to a by a minus x, and यही अपने को चाहिए था। देखो यही अपने को चाहिए था। यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मैंने मोल के टर्म्स में ले लिया, उसके लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक रोटेशन होगा वो ले लिया मैंने। तो देखो ये यहाँ पे ग्राम में था, लेकिन मैंने कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यहाँ पे मैंने मोल के टर्म्स में ले लिया। तो देखो दिस कम्स द वैल्यू, ये देखना ये पूरा सीक्वेंस। नाउ ये आ गया, तो पुट दिस वैल्यू हियर, सो योर जॉब इज डन, दैट इज k इज इक्वल टू 2.303 by t log of theta infinity minus theta naught by theta infinity minus theta t. Now find theta infinity, theta naught is given, put here theta t at different time, you will get k1, k2, k3, and if you take the ratio and if you find this, तो k1 equal to k2 equal to k3 means my assumption is correct. इसको 2-3 बार देखो, this is mainly for advance वाले तो ठीक से देखो। और अपने इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है शीट में, एंड आरसी मुखर्जी में क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 सॉल्व्ड में पेज नंबर 612 पे है क्वेश्चन, और अनसॉल्व्ड में भी होगा। अनसॉल्व्ड में जस्ट अनसॉल्व्ड में नहीं है, अनसॉल्व्ड देखना शायद नहीं है। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन्वर्शन ऑफ शुगर। पहले एक बार अगर समझता नहीं है तो एक बार जाके ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन एंड सीरीज मीन्स ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन एंड स्पेसिफिक रोटेशन आइसोमेरिज्म, ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म चैप्टर में करो रिवाइज, उसके बाद अपने आप समझेगा। ओके, सो थैंक्स। ओके, दिस इज फॉर इट।